Hey, how you doing? Nice you could join us for another chapter of Timber Frame She Shed. Oh, if you were here earlier, on the previous chapter, if you were here, you saw us making this door frame and working on some of this stuff. Well, I've got to get it done because the guy that's having this built, I know it's our test for the she shed. Yes, it is. But the guy that's paying for this one, oh, this goes into his basement. Right now he's got an itty bitty little door. He wants to have so he can drive trucks and cars into the basement to work on them. So he needs a bigger door, and couldn't fit an overhead door in there. Otherwise he would have had somebody else do it. But he needs a fantastic door that will be insulated. Oh, and it's self-closing. Look at this. It will. See, it tips. It's tipped out on the bottom. One degree. And that's enough to, when it's sitting like this, it'll go, and it'll close all by itself. So, we went to American Steel. Yeah, you're gonna see how they bent some of this stuff and then how we put this thing together to be this, so it's concentrically perfect. This 1 degree thing, this goes perfectly straight right to this hinge, to that hinge, and we did this and packaged it like this so you can copy it, or at least be entertained with all the sweat and tears of putting this thing together. So stay tuned for the rest of the show. Oh, you gotta change it out?
Yeah. Pretty much every material thickness has a different size die.
You gotta get a tighter one or a less tight one?
It's gonna be a wider bottom. So the bottom is called the die. It's supposed to be 8 times the thickness of the material you're bending.
How many times?
8 times.
8 times. So it's got to be 2 inches wide.
1/4 inch material.
How come you're loosening the top one if you got to change the bottom one?
This one isn't really rated for 1/4 inch.
Oh. So both of them got to be switched?
Yep.
So if it's too tight, it'll crack it?
I guess they explode pretty good.
What's that?
I guess they explode pretty good.
Explode?
Tool steel.
You kid? That bottom one would bust? From the pressure on it, it would explode.
Yep.
Ah. You got it. Perfect. Thank you. Well, there you go. Two 25-pound hinges for a 300-pound door. And why did we go through it like this? Don't be afraid of the project. If you can dream it, you can do it.